Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through both interior and exterior major talking points, and of course I'll slowly go around and I'll take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features of the jam-packed interior of the G20 330i M Sport we have here today for you. So as you can see, the exterior of the car is presented in the Portimao blue, and alongside that we finished it off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and we've also added the 20-inch G20 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle you'll see the all new style of BMW LED headlamp, along with the very nice both gloss front splitter and kidney grills. You'll also see it is a 2019 69 reg. Down the side of the car, sitting behind those 20-inch alloy wheels, you will of course see it comes equipped with the M Sport Plus brakes, as do all of the 330i M Sports. Of course, with a vehicle that has got just shy of 260 brake horsepower, you are of course always going to want larger brakes. Alongside that, down the side of the vehicle, you'll see the carbon fibre effect side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and of course the privacy glass option as well. Moving on to give you a glance of the interior, you'll see we have got the black Vernasca leather in this vehicle, which comes with both electric lumbar and the heated seat option, alongside another very special feature which you find on the new 3 Series, along with other BMW new ranges, the ambient lighting setting, which is all interchangeable and customizable to suit your colour wants and needs. And again, that comes right through onto the door card, as well as that nice Vernasca leather. Moving around into the rear, where again you find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and another new feature being the digital climate display and adjustment for rear passengers. And we also find the very nice darkened black M Sport headlining, as you can see there, which is a very nice colour contrast between of course the black leather interior and this absolutely incredible Portimao blue, which is definitely one of the most popular colours for the G20 3 Series. And of course another nice extra touch with the M Sport Plus brakes, it also does match nicely with the exterior colour. So onto the rear of the vehicle, where we have both got the high gloss rear spoiler and matching diffuser, and as you can see, these very nice new style 3-dimensional two-tone lights, which not only look great, they are also for a visibility purpose so people can see you from further away. A rear facing reversing camera, and we've also got a very large boot space on the new 3 Series saloon, which now comes with split folding seats as standard. And you also get a very nice hidden away little tool storage, which contains both your locking wheel nut and of course the little spanner that you still provided with from BMW, which harks back to before a long time ago. So again, just showing you how nicely presented this vehicle really is, especially with that Portimao blue. And again, just showing you how well it sits on the 20-inch alloy wheels, before of course we head on inside to go through just some of the extra special features you find on the 3 Series. Power folding mirrors, which of course can be controlled using the button here provided, or of course using your lock feature on the key fob, which is of course a keyless go system. And now we're sat inside the vehicle, we can of course go through and have a look at some of these features. First of one being the all new BMW Live Cockpit, which you can see up there. This is very special for a couple of reasons, because of course you now have straight away a digital speedo display. We also have the map view in the centre, which again is all customizable, so you can change that to suit something of your wants and needs. You'll also find a normal RPM counter to the right hand side and the speedo to the left, as well as that very nice digital display. And if we change the vehicle into sport, you get a little bit of a different background via the performance mode select. Another thing I like and often point out to customers that come to view one of these vehicles, the minute you do that you get the M highlight stripes just below where it says 0 miles per hour. And again, although it's a little touch, it's just that little reminder that you are of course in an M Sport model BMW. Moving on to the professional wide navigation and media screen. As you can see there, this is now an all touchscreen. However, if you're not a fan of that, they still provide you with the iDrive scrolling wheel. And again, we'll just run through just some of the features and functions of this vehicle and what it can do. So as you can see, using this touchscreen is really nice and simple. It's much like using a smartphone device. We can simply swipe across to where we would like to set a destination to, or of course you can either use your voice commands or type it in if you prefer, and tap to set a destination to that point. It comes with both Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone and a wide array of other multimedia inputs. And if we go into the communications menu, we can take a look at that alongside the fact it does come with both Apple CarPlay and screen mirroring for the non-Apple users of us out there. Alongside that, we'll just go ahead and have a look at the vehicle status. And as you can see there, the vehicle is coming up for its first service in 4,000 miles, owing to the fact that the vehicle has covered just over 12,000 miles. So again, a very nice low mileage example here at your next car. Situated on the new and improved ergonomically fantastic multifunction M Sport steering wheel. We've got the flappy paddles for the all new 8-speed gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter function and voice and volume controls. So that is just some of the new features of this 3 Series, as I just do not have the time in these little short walk around videos to go through it. However, should you choose to come and view one of our absolutely fantastic performance styled G20 3 Series, we will of course spend all the time that you wish to go through all of the technology that's jam-packed into these incredible new 3 Series. As with all of our vehicles, we will of course do that whilst remaining of course a safe social distance at the moment. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course a link to our website to view this vehicle in more depth down below in the description. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch it. We do of course hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.